the strongest tropical cyclone in the Northern Hemisphere in 2023. On May 24, 2023, a powerful super typhoon Mawar, which reached the 5th category of intensity, struck the largest island of the Mariana Islands, Guam. It brought heavy rain and hurricane-force winds with gusts up to 155 miles per hour. The storm tore down power poles, broke trees, tore the roofs off houses, and easily overturned cars. Virtually the entire population of the island was left without electricity and many without water supply. 2 people are reported to have been swept out to sea, and efforts to find them have yielded no results. On the same day, heavy rains in 9 Algerian provinces caused flash floods with serious consequences. Rushing waters destroyed many roads, damaged houses, administrative buildings, and flooded agricultural fields. Civil defense teams conducted numerous rescue operations to evacuate people trapped by floodwaters. Unfortunately, several casualties have been reported. At the same time, on the opposite shore of the Mediterranean Sea, record rain storms caused serious flooding in several Spanish cities. The regions of Andalusia, MURCIA, Valencia, and Madrid were the most affected. In ONTENANT, 127.4 millimeters of rain fell in just 12 hours, the highest rainfall in May in 100 years. City streets became insurmountable obstacles not only for pedestrians, but also for traffic. Emergency services rescued dozens of people stuck in vehicles.
San Juan Street, the street where I live, where our Rodriguez family lives. In a tenth of a minute, everything became like this. If they don't come for these people soon. What a pity about the cars. Here, look, what's going on here? Holy shit. Look where the water reaches. Too bad about the car. Unbelievable, but true, you can't even see the traffic circle.
We're trying to get the water out so we can provide services and be able to work today, because we have 12 people working here. We had more than 2 meters of water here.
The 3 freezers that are switched off at the moment are still keeping up, because they can last for 24 hours. Tomorrow we'll see, we have to throw it all out.
I'm worried because something like this has never happened on the scale it is now.
It is worth noting that the storm weather was preceded by an extremely dry period, which lasted almost 8 months. According to meteorological services, the amount of rainfall in Spain from October 1, 2022 to May 23 of this year was 27% lower than the average for that period. Learn more about the real causes of the emergency climate situation at the Open International Online Forum, Global Crisis. There is a way out.